The Mandeville police are probing a shooting incident in the town of Mandeville which have left a female dead and a male nursing gunshot wounds. Hi again and welcome, this is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police are probing the murder of a woman and the wounding of a man in the town of Mandeville on Saturday morning. Preliminary reports are that at around 6 a.m., the police were called to a service station on Main Street where the woman's body was found face down with what appears to be gunshot wounds. The police have since cordoned off the area. Relatives have named the deceased as Desireesha Falconer, otherwise called Drama, a resident of Belle Savannah in St. Elizabeth. It's further reported that Falconer was an exotic dancer. The police theorized that the man and the woman were walking from a club in the town when upon reaching the service station they were attacked and shot. The injured man sustained gunshot wounds to the upper part of his body. His condition up to the publication of this report is unknown. The police theorized that the man was the target of the attack as he was shot during a shooting incident back in the year of 2022 in the community of Greenvale in Manchester. 2 other men were also killed in that shooting incident. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.